Today, we're exploring enterprise service bus solutions, focusing on WSO2 and Fiorano ESB. To kick things off, could you outline the architectural philosophies behind these platforms?
Absolutely. WSO2 ESB is open source and built around a modular, componentized architecture using OSG. This makes it highly flexible, allowing organizations to deploy only the features they need. Fiorano ESB, on the other hand, is event-driven and peer-to-peer, emphasizing distributed microservices for scalability and fault tolerance.
So, while WSO2 leans toward modularity and customization, Fiorano opts for distributed processing. How do these design choices impact system performance and scalability?
Great question. WSO2's modularity lets you fine-tune resources for each deployment, which is efficient for many use cases. However, Fiorano's distributed architecture enables parallel processing across multiple nodes, often leading to superior horizontal scalability, especially in high-throughput environments.
That distinction is crucial. As we transition to integration capabilities, how do these architectures influence connecting disparate systems? Let's dive into integration. How do WSO2 and Fiorano ESB handle diverse protocols and data formats in typical enterprise settings?
WSO2 ESB supports a wide array of protocols like HTTP, JMS, FTP, and SOAP, and it excels at RESTful integration. Its mediation flows are easily customizable via graphical tooling. Fiorano ESB also supports major protocols, but stands out with built-in adapters for legacy systems like IBM, MQ, and SAP, making it a strong contender for hybrid environments.
Interesting. So, Fiorano seems to have a slight edge in legacy system support. Are there any notable limitations or advantages in how each handles message transformation or orchestration?
WSO2 offers robust transformation using XSLT and JSON, and its mediation sequences are powerful for complex routing. Fiorano, meanwhile, provides visual orchestration tools that let users drag and drop components, simplifying even advanced workflows for non-developers.
That usability aspect could be a game changer for some businesses. As we look deeper, what about security and governance across both platforms? Security is paramount in any integration platform. How do WSO2 and Fiorano ESB address authentication, authorization, and compliance requirements?
WSO2 is renowned for its strong security stack integrating with WSO2 Identity Server. It supports OAuth2, SAML, and fine-grained access control policies. Its governance registry helps track API usage for compliance. Fiorano also implements robust security, offering SSL, TLS, LDAP integration, and role-based controls. However, its governance is more focused on real-time monitoring and alerting.
So, WSO2 leans into compliance-heavy industries, while Fiorano emphasizes operational visibility. Are there real-world examples where these differences have influenced platform choice?
Certainly. A European financial firm chose WSO2 for its GDPR-ready audit trails. Conversely, a logistics company favored Fiorano because its distributed monitoring let them rapidly detect and isolate faults, ensuring minimal downtime.
That makes the trade-offs tangible. Now, let's consider developer experience and operational overhead. For IT teams, ease of use and ongoing maintenance can make or break adoption. How do WSO2 and Fiorano ESB compare in terms of developer experience and operational management?
WSO2 provides a powerful Eclipse-based studio and supports CI/CD pipelines out of the box, making it developer-friendly for those accustomed to modern DevOps. Its open-source nature means abundant community resources, though it requires more manual tuning. Fiorano, meanwhile, is praised for its intuitive drag-and-drop interface and automated deployment, reducing the learning curve for new users.
Maintenance is another key factor. Are there differences in how updates and scaling are handled between the two platforms?
Indeed. WSO2's modularity means updates can be granular, but version compatibility requires careful planning. Fiorano's peer-to-peer deployment means rolling updates and scaling are less disruptive, as individual microservices can be upgraded independently.
That operational flexibility could be decisive. To wrap up, Let's reflect on how organizations might choose between these platforms based on their unique needs.